Hey guys, good morning. It has been it's been a long time since I've created a video, but I figured since I just created my Instagram, I've never been on Instagram before, but since I'm jumping back on social media, why not create a video, especially because today is Friday, the Friday before the extended weekend for Memorial Weekend. Now, a lot of y'all are probably getting ready for barbecues, lots of beers, or whatever else you guys all choose to do for Memorial Day weekend. But, sure, it's nice, but I wanted to just take a time and say thank you to all the men and women who have served out there and served both in the United States and throughout the world, protecting our interests, and who've given the ultimate sacrifice. It's something that many people will callously say, but I have many friends, many good friends who are in the military, and my heart goes out to all of them, especially the ones who will be gone and away from families this Memorial Day weekend. But anyway, I also wanted to, just give a quick update. Things are pretty exciting in Colorado and across the world. I'm sure many of y'all have heard about the political sphere of influence that is now revolving around China, Korea, and of course Trump. We've seen very recently how North Korea recently destroyed one of their nuclear facilities, or nuclear testing facilities specifically. And sure, there were speculation that the test site in itself was already compromised due to radiological fallout. But hey, in the same regard, it's a gesture nonetheless. And of course, and rather comically, a few hours after that, Trump decides to cancel the summit. So, I thought it was kind of interesting. They have a gesture of good faith, and then Trump cancels the summit. Notwithstanding the fact that there has been a lot of political turbulence coming from multiple North Korean officials, calling out Vice President Mike Pence, calling him, I forget exactly what the term was, but something to the effect of an inexperienced political individual, something to those terms, enraging Washington, of course. And then that is what many individuals speculate is the primary reason that Trump decided to pull out. However, in the same breath, Trump also said, "Hey, North Korea, we're very sorry that this is going this way, but if you want to talk, don't forget to call it right." So North Korea right now has, of course, also come out and said, yeah, we're still interested in meeting, and China is now also saying, please continue to meet. It is a travesty otherwise. So I guess we'll see. Some of y'all are probably wondering why I'm taking a video while I'm driving. Well, for some of those of you who do or don't know, I'm actually in a Tesla right now. So let me see if I can turn this around. Let's see. So the Tesla, as you can see or maybe not see, is actually driving itself. One of the super cool innovations of the automobile industry these days is the ability to have various levels of autonomy while driving. The Tesla Model S is considered a level 2 autonomous vehicle. So what that means is it still requires regular input, and as you can see, I'm putting my hand on the wheel every once in a while to ensure that the vehicle is still on track, but also making sure that me, as the driver, is maintaining positive control of the vehicle. What is super cool about this is the fact that, theoretically, I could maintain my eyes on the road while watching the vehicle drive, while some others may be able to focus completely on their emails, texting, phone calls, social media, whatever the case is, and the vehicle will drive itself. But over time, the vehicle will also flash at you to tell you, hey, you should probably keep your hands back on the wheel. So I can't really demonstrate right now since we're on a 2-lane road, 3-lane road, but the vehicle has the ability to change lanes by itself. And it also has a follow distance. You guys can probably see that on the main dash, it says max 90. Basically, it is stating that the maximum speed of the vehicle is 90 miles an hour. And for example, take a look. When this individual comes in front of me, the vehicle will naturally slow down because it's maintaining a very particular distance. So I can actually turn it down to 1, and here comes this guy coming in. So in this case, I want to slow down because I want to ensure that not only is the vehicle doing its job, but I'm also maintaining liability for the vehicle in and of itself. And of course, the way I see it, in Colorado, there's always going to be lots of individuals who see real estate between myself and the vehicle in front of me, and they're going to try and take it. But it is what it is. The vehicle is not a level 5, which is the highest level of autonomy. But level 5 is basically allowing you to sit in the back of the car. And at this current point in time, the technology in Teslas exists to do that. But as per state regulation and federal regulation, that ability has not yet been allowed yet, if you will. So, but overall, it makes my job a lot easier because Tesla believes that these vehicles are about 50% safer than that of a normal vehicle. So, that was pretty close. Well, you know. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'm going to do my best to try and have more of them. But everyone, I hope you all have a wonderful, safe, and respectful Memorial Day weekend. Thanks, guys.